Let me ask you a question. Why should anyone follow you? Are you the kind of leader that you would want to follow? If you're interested in leadership, this channel is for you. This is all about leadership. My name is Darin Gerdes. I'm a management professor. Uh, I view this channel as an extension of my classroom to the world. So I house class videos here. I have my leadership podcast here. It's called the Leadersmith Podcast. Please listen. You can ask me questions. If you just click on the link here, you can ask me video questions and I'll do my best to answer them. One more thing. I know that everyone says, subscribe to my channel. Listen, anyone who subscribes to my channel is just somebody who's hungry to learn more about leadership. That's it. I don't talk about cat videos or other things. It's all about leadership. And if that sounds like you, click that subscribe button because you can always unsubscribe anytime. If I'm not providing value, leave. That's okay. Okay. But if you're interested in leadership, I want to help you become the kind of leader that you would want to follow.